Oh my goodness, my hair is a mess. I just got off work. I worked half a day today. So I gotta fix me something to eat. I'm hungry. It's 1 o'clock. I've been up since 3:45 this morning. Sent my husband yesterday to the dollar store. He's like, I'm going to the dollar store. Do you need anything? I said, yeah, give me a couple Pepsis, because he drinks the Pepsi Zero. I can't be drinking that. I can't drink that stuff. I don't drink much pop. I don't drink enough for it to even count. I'm not dieting, but if I was dieting, I still wouldn't drink diet pop. I just can't. I can't really tolerate it. I don't drink a lot of pop anyway, like I said. So he couldn't find any at the dollar store, so I said, get me some regular Pepsi. This is what I stopped and got at the drive-thru, the beer drive-thru. I got me 2 of them. This will last me forever. I gotta fix me something to eat. This is what I'm fixing. This is one of the Smart Ones 3 cheese ziti. I am so hungry. I don't even know if this is gonna hold me over till dinner. But it is what it is. So the only thing I'm cooking for dinner today is I'm gonna cook some hamburgers and probably make salad. Why not? I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. Got my pajamas on. Check out my pajamas. Got my pajamas on because, oh my gosh, yesterday I had to take Olivia for band camp. Let's pop this on. She went to band camp yesterday for, she's gonna be gone till Friday, so it's like 6 days, 5 days. Let's see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. She's gonna be gone 6 days, and I'm telling you what, I'm already like depressed, and you know, I can't even function when she's not here. That's bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do when she graduates high school. I don't even want to think about it. I should have had about 30 kids is what I should have had. It's really what should have happened. I meant to be a mother and should have had like 50 million kids. But the dogs and cats are totally tickled to death that I'm home. So anyway, I wanted to tell you guys because somebody had posted on one of my videos, my giveaway video. I had done a giveaway for my signature blend seasoning. Wait. This, and I done 2 names, and I'm still I haven't checked yet, but I'm still waiting on my second person to come forward. But I done a drawing, and someone was asking, oh my gosh, someone was asking how to order this. You guys, I put this on some of my videos sometimes and tell you, you need to go to my Facebook fan page. There you can order it, In the Kitchen with Sandy. I had a cooking group and a Facebook fan page. I'm deleting the cooking group because I don't have time for that. So if it's something that you have to join, ask to join, don't join it because I'm deleting people from it because I don't have time for that. I'm on Facebook, In the Kitchen with Sandy, look me up. Twitter, I was on Google Plus, but I don't think they have that anymore. Pinterest, my recipes are on Pinterest. Look me up, In the Kitchen with Sandy. I am on Instagram. I'm on Snapchat. So follow me everywhere that I'm at. So you know, go like my Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me everywhere. But you can order this on my In the Kitchen with Sandy Facebook fan page, and I think it's like $7 on there now. I've got it on sale, and it is so worth it. It will last you a long time. I mean, it's a good hearty bottle of, this is half full, and it smells amazing, and it is so good on everything. Yeah, smell it. Oh my. It is comprised of all of my favorite seasonings. It's got garlic and onions and paprika, it's got black pepper. It's got all my favorite ingredients, seasonings on there. And you know, I come up with this because it's something that I love it. It's my favorite basic signature blend seasoning to use, and I use it, you can use it on meats, pastas, any type of meat. You can use it on lamb, chicken, pork, beef, what other kind of meat is there? You know, whatever you find. Octopus, anything you want to use it on. Fish, shrimp, lobster, anything. And it's really good on, and soups and stew, especially like the vegetable-based soups with the red, like the vegetable base. It's really good in that. You can put this, make this in your macaroni and cheese. What's going on in there? I'm trying to do a video here. Dogs. They get on my nerves sometimes, but I love them. You know, everything. Like I said, I have somebody that buys this that puts it on their popcorn. It's that good. You guys need to order this. Get on my Facebook fan page and order that. I'm telling you, it's delicious. Of course, I'll be doing some other giveaways. I'll be doing some more giveaways in the near future. So maybe you never know. You might be lucky and win. So you're gonna get in trouble in a minute. I'm so tired. I'm hungry. I swear I ain't been drinking. I swear. I swear. But anyway, let's get my lunch cooked. And you know what? I think after lunch, I'm probably gonna take me a little nap. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you like to nap. I like to nap. I'm a napper. I'm a frequent napper. I like to nap. It is what it is. I'm old. These bones hurt sometimes, you know. It's good and strong. Just the way I like it. Alright, a little lunchy. I'm not sure what's going on with the lighting there. It's getting kind of dark out. I think it's gonna rain soon. My dogs need to go out. You gotta go potty. I gotta go pee-pee. Pee-pee, babe. Pee-pee. Let's go pee-pee. Let's go pee-pee. Alright kids, I'm back. I just want to show you this. Look at this. I love this stuff. You know what? I need to make it homemade. I am going to make... I just wanted to get on here for a quick second. You don't have to watch me eat. I know it's like gruesome. You're gonna want to... You ain't going to want... You ain't... You're not gonna want to watch me eat because... It's gonna be ugly. I'm pretty hungry. Ooh, look at all that pepper on there. This is my lunch for today. Yummies. I love this stuff. I like those little dinners. Like, my house is a mess. My house is always a mess. Remember the other day I said I was gonna clean it because I hadn't cleaned it in like 2 years? I figured, what the hell? Why bother? No, I just work so much. I do. You know, I do what I can. My house is lived in. It's lived in. It is so lived in. It is what it is. My mom, bless her heart, I remember growing up, our house was always spotless. And she held down a full-time job, and I hold down a full-time job, but my house isn't spotless. Like I said, it's lived in. At any point in time, you can look around. I mean, it's not dirty, but there's just boots. There's like clutter everywhere. There's always something laying around. Like on my kitchen table. My kitchen table is hardly ever cleaned off. The only time it's cleaned off is like when Olivia's home. And I go to work and she comes. She cleans for me while I'm at work. She likes to clean. I don't know why. That is so good. I should make me 2 of these suckers. But right now, I'm going to tell you what I'm looking at on my kitchen table. There's a bag of dog food. There's some hamburger buns, hot dog buns, some cat treats, cat food, peaches, tomatoes. There's some stuff that came out of my nursing bag that I just didn't feel like taking to work today. There's a candle, a bowl with 1 orange in it, my round cake pan, glass cake pan that I washed and never put up. You know what? I don't care. I don't care. I'll get it up later. But I wanted to get on here real quick again to tell you what I'm doing for a video later today. I'm going to do some, you'll see on the previous vlog that I done, I went to my local farmer's market. I love that place. I love it, love it, love it. In case you didn't see that video, look at those. Look at this big yellow tomato that I got. This is so good. I'm gonna slice that tonight with dinner. And a redwood. Maybe I'll slice them both. Who knows? But I'm going to do, I bought some half runner beans, green beans. I've had a lot of people ask how to cook. They send private messages to me asking me how to cook homemade, not homemade, but fresh green beans. And they are so easy to make. Now, if you buy those little jade beans, the ones that are a lot thinner, I have a really good stir fry recipe on here actually. It's my #1 video of all time, but get a lot of views. It's one of my first ones. It's kind of a, you know, quirky video. I'm real camera shy and stuff, but it's got lots and lots of views. But it's just stir-fried green beans, sauteed in olive oil and garlic, and they are amazing. But you have to get the jade beans to do that, the thinner beans. They're a lot thinner, and they cook up super fast if you're stir-fried them or sauteing them in a pan. I'm telling you, those are so good. But now, like the half runners, which is a little bit more of a hearty bean, I bought me some jaw bacon to go in that. I'm going to show you guys how to cook those to perfection. You know, country bumpkin here, so you know they're going to be good. There is nothing in this world to me better than a big old pot of green beans. Fresh from a garden. Whether it's my garden or somebody else's garden. But that's the recipe that I'm going to share with you guys today.